Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about editing a PDF file using Microsoft Word. First, open the Microsoft Word application. Click on File, then choose Open. From there, select Browse. Browse the PDF document that you want to edit, select the PDF file, and click Open. Word tells you that it's going to convert its contents into a format that Word can display. Formatting may change a little. Select OK. Now you can edit it just like all your Word documents. Let me go ahead and change this paragraph. And the colors too. To save it as PDF, click on File, then choose Save As. From there, click Browse. Select where you want to save the edited PDF. Click the drop-down for Save As Type and select PDF. Oops, don't forget to change the file name and hit that Save button. There you have it! The new edited PDF file automatically opens using your default PDF reader. Now, editing a PDF file is as easy as counting 1, 2, 3. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.